I won't fart. I won't do anything.
Do you fuck though?
I do. What?
I get no yeah. How many times a day?
What do you mean? How many times?
So yeah, Sumza.
I feel like you're difficult with your emotions. When I was Susie, Mangeko, you do. Be honest.
Ama ungekho ngivula namafestela mfana.
He's so funny, dude.
So bobushaya vele sela.
How are you gonna survive? I wanna lie. I have to go to keep. No Beyonce, we are Susa. You are my person.
He didn't make a sound.
No.
Why?
I don't know. I can't control my body. If it comes out silent, it came out silent. I never smell it. Because when I was really Angela, you were to hit it in front of me, I wouldn't judge you. But if you got no, not now. I didn't do it.
Oh, okay. You were saying.
Uksuza is the same thing. It is. Don't look at me like that, bruh. But if
Okay. Fat a lot.
if umuntu akho uyakudampa because of farting akakuthandi.
Thought I was rapping, I'm trapping. I see them professing, man, push out the flow. Gang so cool, my tongue stage just for recalling, not turning body. The stamina toilet, I'm never complaining. You run away, go, still gonna get posted. The penny is style so cozy. I get all the trap and he forced it. Running the streets in the
What's up, guys? It's your girl Spot 2 when I'm with. So today we're gonna play Never Have I Ever. So what's the punishment if you cannot answer the question? What is the punishment?
Take a shot of vinegar.
Blue vinegar.
Blue vinegar.
Right.
cap.
So there's quite a few here, but we're gonna use some of them.
Yeah, some too much.
Yeah, we didn't want you. We didn't want people to know our secrets.
But you have secret.
Some things are just they stay. But in what in Vegas? What in Vegas?
Yeah, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Yes. Never have I ever fallen in love on the first date. I have.
What?
I have. Genuinely, I have.
Yeah, I have. I have. I have. Yeah, I have.
Huh?
Okay, maybe not in love, but in like. Okay, in love.
Once or twice, yeah.
Yeah.
You can like someone basically. I like them, but I'm not sure maybe about my emotions. I may like them, but I'm not sure if I'm in love with them. You can like someone, and then there's that person niyahlangan and you're like, I think I'm in love.
For me, I feel like it was not love. It's just like.
In every, don't count the ones where you were young and still experiencing love. I mean, where you were now matured to understand the difference between like and love.
Okay, love.
Yes.
Mara ide ya love yokuthi awuthembi mara okay, I like you. Kuwa different. Fine. Kuwa ngithi
Ungazi ukuthi friend ngoba
sihlangane already.
nilana.
No, angithi already. Phela mina nawe sihlangane bese sikhulumile for like a week and a half. Yeah. Bese sikhulumile already. So
But at that time, that was not love. We were still getting to know each other. introduce ourselves to each other,
Mm.
and then we're still deciding whether or not we're gonna be in a relationship.
Mhm.
Because remember, we said, okay, fine, let's give ourselves time to get to know each other. We ended up even asking each other, how long does it take for you to get to know someone?
Mina now set isikhathi ukuthi no, we're giving ourselves a week.
Okay.
But 3 days.
That week never ended.
Yeah, 3 days down the line, we were like, fuck, why not?
Okay.
It was like and love at the same time.
I don't believe you on your side. I don't believe you.
Why not?
I feel like you're difficult with your emotions. You don't just randomly love. With girls, it's different. Girls, we fall in love very easily. With guys, I have to put you on probation for some time. Wouldn't decide ngiyakthanda or not. Yeah, with girls just easily fall in love.
Okay, it was like,
For you, it was like, we'll just put it like that. For you, it was like, never have I ever humiliated myself on a date. I've never. I'm very careful on a date.
Same here.
I'm very, very careful. I won't fart. I won't do anything. Nothing.
Do you fuck though?
I do. What?
Fuck.
I do.
Well, how many times do you fart a day?
Maybe once.
How many times do you fart a day? In a day,
What kind of question is that?
do you fart?
I do.
How many times a day?
What do you mean how many times?
Uyasuza.
What do you mean how many times?
So uyasuza.
I do.
Uyasuza wena.
Everyone does. When I was Susie,
Angisuzi.
you lying. That's a lie. No, mangeko, you do. Be honest.
Ama ungekho ngivula namafestela mfana.
Why wouldn't you do it corner me now? He's so funny, dude. Manai, me and now we're gonna live together soon. Oh, how are you gonna survive? How are you gonna
I
survive?
don't know, man. So ubona khona.
You're gonna have to be comfortable at
Yazi
some
mawuphuma
point.
out. Uvula amafestela.
There's no way. Sometimes angeke uzibambe to that extent ukuthi ungasuzi. There's that point where uyazizwa nawe ukuthi yabona la I have to ukuthi ngikhiphe. You do. You have to. And Mina, I won't judge you, bro. It's natural. It's nature. Why should I judge you for something that is nature? Not beyond mfethu uyakaka uyasuza. There's no way ukuthi akakaki akasuzi.
So kahle kahle uthi mina ngisuze phambi kwakho.
You should. You are my person. Shitty, in the future, if I'm gonna live with you, you're gonna have to be comfortable to an extent where I'm a vulnerability wako that you cannot do outside. You should do them with me.
So
It's not like I'm gonna go on social media and tell everyone ukuthi umuntu amsuzile. Cha.
So wena uke wasuza phambi kwami.
Yeah.
Why ngakakuzwa?
I don't know, maybe because I drink water. I don't know.
So,
but I have.
So
yes.
Being a sound inyana.
Cha.
Ah.
You sound cha.
No, just being.
But it has happened where like but I have.
So akusukusuza lo.
Ukusuza I have.
From the back.
Yes. But like on a normal day when we're chilling, yes I have.
You didn't make a sound.
No.
Why?
I don't know. I can't control my body. If it comes out. It comes out. If it comes out silent, it came out silent. It just so happened that it hasn't come out loud.
So there was no smell. There was.
At that time, I didn't smell anything.
Does it smell
I
though?
don't know if you did. If you did, I should say happy birthday, Beyonce Angaz.
Does it smell though?
I never smell it. If it does have a smell, should you know it's really Angela.
Angilanga, ngithulile vele, ngikuzwile. Mara it's fine.
You have.
Yeah.
You smell
Yeah.
me.
I think it was the day before yesterday.
That's a lie.
Ngiyadlala.
That's a
Ngihlala ngazi
lie.
ngakuzwa before. Futhi akwazi ukufihla.
I do, but then I think kuya ngokuthi system yakho injani. I don't know.
Okay, now I have.
With me.
My mistake though.
But then there's nothing wrong with that though. If uzohlala nami, or if you're gonna spend the rest of your life with me, then you might as well just get comfortable. The things that you're not comfortable with doing.
But to go on is one before.
I
should put blind. By mistake.
Okay, the very same way you can go to the bathroom, not judge. It's the same way if you were to hit it in front of me, I wouldn't judge you. It's natural. There's nothing I can do about it.
I've never.
Huh? You've never what? In front of me. In front of me. That's a lie.
So I have.
Say 2 weeks, Lan. There's no way in that 2 weeks you didn't.
Mangiwana ngithi.
Mawiwan ya, maunam.
Manginaw.
Impossible. Team. But I have, and I'm not sure if he's real or not. Umuntu uyaphawula, guys. Umuntu uyaphawula. Hleze phawula. And I know for a fact if you did, those are phawula vele. Umuntu uyaphawula. Maybe with other people akaphawuli, but if he's with me, hleze phawula. You were gonna phawula and you didn't. And I've now done it once or twice. I don't know how many times.
So bobushaya vele sela. Yeah?
You can't say that. Wait. You can't say that. But if you're gonna live together, I have to be comfortable at some point. It has to happen. Ukuthi ngibe comfortable. Because ngizohlala nawe. Remember? Okay, right? My well-fitty. No, not now. I didn't do it.
Oh, okay. You were saying.
Oh God, I saw it. Okay, no. The thing is, if we're gonna live together, then I might as well just start getting comfortable in some of the things that I do not do in front of you. Right? Getting undressed in front of you. I have to get comfortable with that.
Yeah.
Like,
That
there's a lot.
really, yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot that I have to do, right? Showing you parts of my body that I never show. Because ngizohlala nawe mfethu, like you might as well just get used to what you see on a daily basis, right? Ukusuza is the same thing. It is. Don't look at me like that, bruh. I don't know, but if Kyanuga,
Okay,
it's natural.
Kyanuga.
No choice.
Yeah, hey, Kyanuga, yeah.
Smells something was his. I know you'd never phela when I'm with you. How? So, but yeah, man, you have to get comfortable. If uzohlala nomuntu and you know this person I want to build a future with him, then you might as well just start doing things that you never do, man. Don't be Beyonce for the rest of your life. You can't do that.
Fat a lot.
It's natural.
Yeah, it's
If umuntu wakho uyakudampa because of farting, akakuthandi. And that's a fact.
Yeah.
Namanga.
Serious.
You've never done it in front of me, kodwa wena.
Well, I have.
You just said you didn't.
I have.
You have.
By mistake.
Mistake or not, I have to get used to it.
Ngiyadlala mara. Angazi.
Nathi vanditahle.
Okay, angazi ke ngathi ngitshela iqiniso.
You've never.
Ngike ngafuna but
Then why did you stop yourself? Uzohlala nami kanjani? Uzohlezi usifihle mawunami? Because we're gonna live together until I don't know when. Probably the day we die or something. Uzohlezi usifihle?
no. But so far I haven't. I'm on your Facebook.
Yes. You are on all my social platforms, even Instagram. You're there.
I didn't know. I thought maybe I'm on TikTok.
What? No.
Nakhona collaborator.
No.
I thought so.
Ah,
So
sad. Peace nangu. Peace nangu. Never have I ever. Guys do this. Never have I ever had a food fetish. I find this weird, and guys do it a lot. Guys like feet, and it's not normal. A food fetish. Khona laba amajita bathi, I don't want a girl with 1, 2, 3 feet. You must have 1, 2, 3 feet. Don't look at mine. Why are you looking at mine now?
no, you're talking about feet, and
Yeah, like these guys that literally fall in love with a girl because of their feet. If their feet looks good, then
what about the face?
well, most guys like feet. Weird, but possible. It's raining.
Feet.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Okay, I don't. I feel like a person is not defined by their feet. I accept you with
Yeah,
whatever.
you're not defined by your feet.
Yes, I accept you with whatever feet you have. In the end of the day, I'm not loved by the feet. I'm loved by the person, not the feet. Even if your feet are chrome, we continue with the movement.
Yeah.
Yes.
The feet.
When would you like a girl with feet that were like this? No, mine are okay. They're just okay. It's just that I don't figure. You see what I put here? I don't put it there
How?
because I
Mara,
wear
it's my first
sneakers.
time hearing.
So it's not advisable to put on tips on your feet if you wear sneakers. I wear sneakers. I don't like sandals.
Ah.
So, but either way, my feet, I feel like they're okay for me. They are
Very nice.
here. Okay. Never have I ever had sex in the car.
Okay, but le answer wa yimi kuphela wena we answer.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, it's raining, and it's windy.
Next question.
Next question.
No.
The question then ngizwa kahle. Sex in the car.
Oh, food fetish. Oh, sex in the car. Yes. You said you're gonna answer that one. I shouldn't.
I was skipping that one.
Huh?
I was skipping that one.
Mm. I got my answer before I even got it. Okay. Never have I ever been spit on, but kafle.
No, I've never been
How's
spit.
on your shit?
Eh?
It's never happened, but if it does happen,
Umkhafunela kanjani umuntu kahle? Umuntu akakhafunelwa mfethu.
we're gonna fight. Don't ever do that.
Umuntu akakhafunelwa. I feel like wena uma decide ukukhafunela umuntu
Don't ever do that.
you are a pig. Mara serious umuntu umkhafunela kanjani?
It happens.
Oh,
But don't ever do that to people. It's not cool. Not dope.
uzibhekisa ngamabo.
Uzobona
Uzobona ngifana ngizama ukubona ni. Yeah, ne?
Never have I ever been on a dating app.
Okay, I've been on Tinder. I can explain.
Explain.
Okay.
Please
okay.
explain.
You've never been on Tinder.
I have, but not with my pictures. Like not using Visa. My pictures were like I just wanted to see with you, but like what's the fuss about Tinder and if it really does work. And then I downloaded it and I was like, what?
I've been on Tinder. Yeah.
And did it work out for you?
Nothing. Okay, it was my first year, ne?
Mm.
I'm new in Pretoria. I don't have friends. I don't have a girlfriend. So, like, I was lonely. I don't know if you gave me. I was lonely. So, yeah, I tried. Mara, not for just a friendship. I wanted like a relationship straight. Well, ngike ngaba na ma-meetup nyana awu-2 nyana.
From Tinder?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, 2 nyana. Yokuqala yes 2. Hey, nayo that's why ayikafiki nokuthi sijole yabo. Ayikafiki nalapho vele. But then they are sharp, just not for me. I don't know if you get me.
I get you.
So yeah. Ended up deleting Tinder, yeah.
I have, but not for dating reasons. Like being born and what's the fuss? And like everyone is talking about Tinder. I'm married and I got this girl on Tinder. So I wanted to see what's up with Tinder. Yeah. But other than that, yeah, I've never believed in online dating. I feel like if you like a person, then somehow you guys will just meet.
I mean, I didn't have that mentality with someday. I had to act. Yeah, well, so whether I'm online dating or I don't know, Mara, I just had to do something. Mara, it didn't work.
Men and women are different.